Hey, Dave Parrish here. There's another Knack video. In fact, today marks a milestone. It's my 100th Knack video on YouTube. Started a few years ago. Currently I'm at 99, and once I upload this, I'll make 100. Just by the last working day of the year. Overall, my channel has 25,000 views with 1.4 thousand hours of watching and 367 subscribers. The way I manage this, I just keep a list. I got a long list of topics. Whenever I think of something or something new comes by, I list it out and I get to it at some time to make a video. But back to this. I've done a lot of apps over the years. I've been doing this about 9 years, I think, full time. And I think I know stuff pretty well. But I don't know everything, I'll tell you that. And the other day, something I learned about logged in users, I was like, what? How did I not know that? Well, I'm going to come back and explain what that is. Thanks, folks. Okay, I'm back to tell you what I just learned about logged in users. Now this is the back end of the app, but it'll suit just fine. This is an app I'm doing for a real estate brokerage firm in Germany that tracks all kinds of stuff, but it tracks sales and all the agents involved, their commissions, all kinds of things, but this has to do with that. I'm actually going to make myself a little smaller here, and this is the home page for the agents. So when they log in, they can see all stuff about them getting paid, invoices, and this is their sales that are related to them, that they've been involved with. Now, when we go down to the details of the sales, it lists all kinds of stuff about the sale and invoices that were involved. But down here in commissions, now when the admin looks at the similar page, they're going to see all the agents that were involved and all the commissions that each agent has. But the client asked me, said, hey, when the agent logs in, we only want them to see their commissions. We don't want them to know what other people make. Seems like a reasonable request. So I'm like, okay, how do I do that? I went to settings, and then I was playing around with this thing, and I thought it would have something to do with restricted connections, choose which records to show. And I'm playing around with this, and I'm all confused about this. And by the way, I must have not had this use case where a detail page of something, in this case a sale, that the tables involved have this request that they be filtered further. And after screwing around with it for a while, I sent a ticket into Knack. And this is, again, going to be short. And by the way, I sent this in at it took them 26 minutes to respond with the answer. That's pretty darn good. If you know anything about Knack, they've really beefed up their customer service, and I'm going to give them another one of these for the improvement in your response time. I think a lot of people have noticed this. But I brought this issue, hey man, how do I do this? And Rob from Knack, just really simple, is this what you want to do? And he said, just go to filters. And I was used to all these operators, but I did not realize you can filter by the logged in bear rate or the just logged in user, and that's agent in German. So here's what I did. I just, okay, forget all this stuff down here that's confusing me anyways. And let's just go to source. I knew this filter thing was here. I just didn't realize it had logged in user. So the commission related to the logged in agent. So that's simple. Again, I don't think I've had many use cases for this specific thing, so that's why I didn't know it. And then just to finish up, I said, hey man, I think that's it. I never knew that existed. Is it new? He said it's not new, but it is easy to go unnoticed. And it's a manual method, because I'm just used to, when I create a table, say make it to the logged in user. But you can do it in a manual way, and there might be lots of use cases for that. So that's what I just learned, and I'm sure there's plenty more to learn, and I'll look forward to to doing more videos in the coming year. Happy New Year. Thank you.